Hi friends, good morning. Today I have a nice equation to solve this. We find out A and B equal to what? So it is the equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. Okay, we start to solve this. We know the fundamental equation. We know fundamental equation a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, now we use a square plus b square equal plus ab. Here is two equation number 2. So we use a cube minus b cube a minus b into 7 by it is 7 by 9. Okay, and here we can get from equation of 1 a minus b. So use this a cube minus b cube into a cube plus b cube 7 by 9. Now we multiply the left hand side by 9 into a cube minus b cube equal to 7 into a cube plus b cube. Okay, now we multiply 9a cube minus 9b cube equal to 7a cube plus 7b cube. Okay, we transfer 7a cube in the left side, so we can write 9 cube minus 7a cube and 9b cube transfer the right side. So 7b cube plus 9b cube. Okay, here 2a cube equal to, here adding this we get 16b cube. Okay, here we divided the both side by 2. We get a cube by 8b cube by divide 2 both side. So we can write a equal to 2b all cube and cubic root. So cancel so a equal to 2b. It is equation number 3. We putting this value in equation number 2. From equation number 2, a square plus b square plus ab equal to 7 by 9. Okay, we use a equal to 2b. So 2b all square plus b square plus b into 2b equal to 7 by 9. Okay, we can write then, so 4b square plus b square plus 2b square equal to 7 by 9. Here 7b square equal to 7 by 9. Divide both side by 7. 7b square by 7 equal to 7 by 9 into 7. Cancel. B square equal to 1 by 9 equal to root over 1 by 3 square root cancel, so b equal to 1 by 3. Repeating from equation 3, we putting this value, we get a equal to 2b equal to 2 into 1 by 3. So a equal to 2 by 3. Okay, it is the value of a and b. Okay, thank you.